I just wanted to ask you, how many times have you been used today?
I beg your pardon?
You have to pay the rent.
What? अरे you know my situation. मेरे पास पैसे ही नहीं है, मैं रेंट कैसे पे करूँगी?
Hey baby, you up?
What took you so long?
And it's always action, reaction, action, reaction. That's how scenes work.
Before you record your monologue, loosen up, do those stretching, do the mouth exercises, massage your face, do some breathing. The more loose you are, the more natural and more confident you'll be in your performance.
I keep things in.
मेरे emotions.
I know that's not a good thing.
जिंदगी ने मुझे शायद ऐसा बना दिया.
I have a tendency to show no emotion when I'm, feeling emotion.
It's just hard for me opening up.
No, it was nice because it went with the character, so